Welcome to RES Knowledge Center. Today I am going to tell about important desert of the world. A land area that is barren and where little precipitation occurs is known as desert. Any area that receives less than 10 inches or 250 millimeters of precipitation is classified as a desert. Deserts can also be described as areas where more water is lost by evaporation than falls as precipitation. Most of the great deserts in the world are located in the polar regions. Since deserts are defined by the amount of precipitation they get, not sand and heat, as many people tend to think. Almost all the deserts are confined within 15° to 30° parallels to north-south of equator, known as trade wind desert or tropical deserts. They lie in the trade wind belt on the western parts of the continents. Offshore trade winds are often bathed in cold currents, which produces a desiccating, dehydrating effect. Hence, moisture is not easily condensed into precipitation. Factors associated with desert formation. Wind pattern. Offshore trade winds carry least moisture, thereby minimizing the precipitation. This is mostly seen in tropical regions with latitudes ranging from 15 to 30°. Presence of cold current will enhance the high pressure along the western coast of continents, thereby pushing the regions into extreme state of dryness. Example, Namib due to Benguela current. Rain shadow effect. Presence of mountain can cause least precipitation on leeward side. Example, Thar Desert due to Aravalli ranges. Sand property. Sand cannot retain high temperature, therefore cannot maintain low pressure, and they exhibit permanent high pressure character. This minimizes the rainfall in the region. Vegetation. Poor vegetation would aid the weathering process and erosion. This then accelerates formation of deserts. Anthropogenic factors. Deforestation, excessive use of fertilizers, climate change due to human actions, burning fossil fuels, pollution, etc., have resulted in changing precipitation pattern. Deserts are very important to keep the ecosystem in balance. Deserts cover more than one-third part of the dry land of Earth. Here we will understand the types of deserts. Broadly, there are four types of deserts: arid desert, hot and dry; semi-arid desert; third, coastal desert; and cold desert. Hot and dry arid desert. Such deserts have warm and dry temperature year-round, mostly located near Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn. The extreme temperatures reach around 100° Fahrenheit or above. They get plenty of rainfall only for short duration of time. The soil is coarse textured, shallow, rocky and gravelly with no subsurface water. Examples: Sahara Desert, Thar Desert, etc. Semi-arid deserts. These deserts are a bit cooler than hot and dry deserts. The long dry summers are followed by winters with some rain in semi-arid deserts. These deserts are found in North America, Greenland, Europe and Asia. Coastal deserts. These deserts are dry like any other deserts but do not hot. In these deserts, the mild summers are longer than the cool winters. These deserts are not as harsh, hence a variety of animals can live in coastal deserts than in arid and semi-arid deserts. Coastal deserts are found in chill region of South America. Cold deserts. These deserts receive most of their precipitation as snow. They have long cold winters with a lot of snowfalls and short summers that are moist and warm. Cold deserts are found in the South Pole, Antarctic region and parts of North America and Greenland. Major deserts of the world. Antarctic. Type of desert: polar. surface area 5.5 million mile square, located in Antarctica. Arctic, type of desert polar, surface area 5.4 million mile square, located in Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Russia. Sahara, type of desert subtropical, surface area 3.5 million mile square, located in North Africa. Arabian, type of desert subtropical, surface area 1 million mile square, located in Arabian Peninsula. Gobi, type of desert cold winter, surface area 5 lakh mile square, located in China and Mongolia. Patagonia, type of desert cold winter, surface area 2,60,000 mile square, located in Argentina. Great Victoria, type of desert subtropical, surface area 2,50,000 mile square, located in Australia. Kalahari, type of desert subtropical, surface area 2,20,000 mile square, located in South Africa, Botswana, Namibia. Great Basin, type of desert cold winter, surface area 1,90,000 mile square, located in United States. Syrian, type of desert subtropical, surface area 1,90,000 mile square, located in Syria, Iraq, Jordan, Saudi Arabia. Sichuan, type of desert subtropical, surface area 1,75,000 mile square, located in Mexico. Great Sandy, type of desert subtropical, surface area 1,50,000 mile square, located in Australia. Karakum, type of desert cold winter, surface area 1,35,000 mile square, located in Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. Colorado Plateau, type of desert cold winter, surface area 1,30,000 mile square, located in United States. Gibson, type of desert subtropical, surface area 1,20,000 mile square, located in Australia. Sonoran, type of desert subtropical, surface area 1,20,000 mile square, located in United States, Mexico. Kizilkum, type of desert cold winter, surface area 1,15,000 mile square, located in Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan. Taklamakan, type of desert cold winter, surface area 1,05,000 mile square, located in China. Iranian, type of desert cold winter, surface area 1 lakh mile square, located in Iran. Thar, subtropical, surface area 75,000 mile square, located in India, Pakistan. Simpson, type of desert subtropical, surface area 56,000 mile square, located in Australia. Mojave, type of desert subtropical, surface area 54,000 mile square, located in United States. Atacama, type of desert cool coastal, surface area 54,000 mile square, located in Chile. Namib, type of desert cool coastal, surface area 13,000 mile square, located in Angola, Namibia, South Africa. Some facts about deserts. The largest hot desert in the world is Northern Africa's Sahara, reaches temperature of up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius during the day. It is also the hottest of all the deserts on our planet. The world's coldest dry desert is located in Antarctica. Only about 20% of deserts are covered by sand. The driest deserts is Chile's Atacama Desert have parts that receives less than 0.008 inches or 2 millimeters of precipitation a year. The Atacama Desert stretches over 1600 kilometers or 1000 miles along the coastline along a narrow strip from Chile to Peru. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. About 1 billion people live in the desert regions of our earth. The largest desert cities are Cairo in Egypt and Lima in Peru. The Arabian Desert is located in Asia on the Arabian Peninsula and covers large parts of Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Jordan, Yemen, Oman, Iran and Iraq. The center of the desert is the Rab al Khali, the so-called the empty quarter. The Aral Kum desert in Asia was formed by the former eastern basin of the Aral Sea in Uzbekistan. It formed in the 1960s when irrigation projects for the huge cotton plantations in the area drained the waters from the Aral Lake. By 2014, the eastern basin of the Aral Sea was completely dried up. The Gobi Desert is Asia's second largest desert after the Arabian Desert. The Mojave Desert is the driest desert on the North American continent. Death Valley, one of the hottest spots in the world, is located in the Mojave Desert. The largest city in the Mojave Desert is Las Vegas with roughly 3 million people. The Namib has some of the highest dunes in the world with heights of over 300 meters or 980 feet. This coastal desert is also known as the oldest desert in the world. The Salar de Uyuni is a desert in South America that has been formed by salt crystallization through water evaporation of a huge salt flat. When it rains, the salar looks like a huge mirror measuring 129 kilometers across. The salt flats are a breeding ground for pink flamingos. The 5 largest deserts by area are Antarctic Desert, Arctic Desert, Sahara Desert, Australian Desert, and Arabic Desert. The most populated desert areas are found in the Thar Desert in India. About 25 million people live in the arid areas of Rajasthan. The Welwitschia plant in the Namib Desert is one of these unique desert plants. They are considered among the oldest desert plants as they are on average 500 to 600 years old. Some are even 2000 years. Their normal lifespan is 400 to 1500 years. They never shed their leaves, they just grow and grow. Rest in next video. For more and more videos and to boost your knowledge, please subscribe, like and share our channel RES classes that help you to take steps towards success. Best of luck.